two most important dates in our lives is the day that we were born and the day that we discover why. I always say that far too many people die at age 30 and don't get buried until age 85. They go through life searching for meaning, looking for meaning and fulfillment, trying to find and fill an empty void, feeling insignificant, trying to find a dream. And it's been said that the richest place on earth is not the rich oil fields of Saudi Arabia, certainly not the diamond mines in South Africa, and not even the gold mines in Ghana and other places, but that the richest place on earth is in the cemetery. Because there in the cemetery lies dreams that were never fulfilled, books that were never written, trademarks that were never patented, new inventions that were never manifested, books that we should have been writing, Nobel Peace Prize winners that could have been identified, cures to cancers and diseases that could have been discovered. Oh, the richest place in the world should not be the cemetery. The richest place in the world should be right here in our minds, in our hearts, where we can conceive the dream, but then we can also live the dream.